Hey there, I'm Britt, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Today, we've got a couple cute little townhomes to show you in the Callaway area. Come on, let's go check them out.
Beachy Beach.
This little Callaway townhome provides just enough space, a little under 1,000 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, and you're in a great location as far as access to Tyndall Air Force Base, short drive, and only 19 miles to beautiful Mexico Beach. This would be a great second property, rental property, or a primary residence. If you like what you saw and you want to check out this property, make sure you click on the links below. You'll find all the listing information, extra photos, and other details. And stop! Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.